Okay guys, I am doing the unboxing of my doorbell that I ordered from Amazon, and I just opened the Amazon box. So this is how it comes. HeimVision HMB1 smart video doorbell. It says day and night vision, two-way audio, human detection, instant notifications, local cloud storage, IP65 waterproof. So yeah, this would be the box. Wi-Fi connection, battery powered, intuitive app, chime included, voice message. So guys, I'm gonna see how this goes. If it works well, then I'm gonna get one for my back door as well. I just want to see how it works on the front door. So let's open it up. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna try to hold the camera because I'm doing it on my phone while I'm opening the box. Okay, so it looks like it slides out because there's a little slip there. So I'm gonna just cut that little slip. There we go. And then it looks like it just slides out. Awesome. So HeimVision. And then I'm gonna pull the tab. Wow, okay. Then, okay. Wow, okay, so that's how it comes in the box. It looks like it comes with the camera, the doorbell camera, and then the chime. This looks to be instructions. Let's open it up and see. Very nicely packed. Wow. Okay, so yeah, I was right. This is very nicely packed. Kudos to the HeimVision company, if I'm saying that right. It looks like I got a free gift in here, which is pretty cool. It says, says it's a free gift, and when I flip it over, it tells me how to claim it. It says gift number 23, Amazon gift card, or gift 133, free cloud storage for 3 months, or gift number 67, a solar panel. So I guess I can claim one of them. I'm probably gonna choose the Amazon gift card because I order from Amazon all the time. And then if I choose to, if I so choose to order from Amazon, this again, I get to choose the gift card to do that. So yeah, it's telling me to review. Gave me a little warning. Those were the instructions. So when I'm setting it up, I will definitely check out the directions. So let me just give you guys a picture of what the camera looks like. This is the actual camera, not too big. This is the camera. You know, fits in about the palm of my hand. A little bigger than the palm of my hand, obviously, but like the size of my hand from my palm to my fingertips. You know, put it next to my box cutter there. You know, it's about the same size. This would be the chime that I will set up in my home. Those are the batteries. Thank God it came with the batteries. Came with the batteries. Not quite sure what this is, but we're about to find out. I'm guessing this is, yes, okay. So this is the extra wiring, the mounting and things like that, so I can mount it. Looks like it came with the screws, the plastic pieces, the USB cord so I can plug it into my computer and download or upload the videos and everything that is needed to mount it. Yeah, So that is exactly what it looks like. It came with. Also, if I wanted to use the wiring hookups, I believe it told me I have that option if I had existing wiring, which I do not. So I will not be using the extra wires. So yes, this was the unboxing of the video doorbell, smart video doorbell, HeimVision by HMB1. So far so good. I will get this set up on my front porch and I will have a video for that. I'll either post it on Amazon or I will post it to my website, which I will put in the link. All right, thanks for watching.